Uno had 13 years to do this shit and uno had nothing. In them time there, Masicka and Alkaline should have clashed. Uno should have been war and clash and settle the dispute and we know who's the undisputed bad DJ. You see me, uno should, but uno didn't do that. Uno was covered out. Uno don't want to no brand forget this, uno don't want to no fancy feel like this, uno don't want te. Uno never war, so uno want to come war now. Uno should have put in their work there while the man was behind bars. You see me, Alkaline, I've been telling you this, before him Kartel come to jail, come a road, I say, yo, Kartel, I go come out, So if you don't want King enough go settle it for now, I've been saying, go back to all of my reactions them when we do, man, for the past how much years. I'm telling you, say, yo, for a long time, Kartel come a road, but you never want to hear. You never want to hear. You should have been, Masicka and Alkaline should have been clash. And the people would decide, say, yo, either Alkaline or either Masicka are the bad one, whoever win, and them are the new goat, them are the new king. So when Kartel come out of jail now, Kartel would have to sit back and just watch, and make do no thing. Because guess what? People have decided and people have chosen. But did not do that. Right? So Kartel come out of jail now, revive the blood clean dancer that was dying. Can remember this, before Kartel come out of jail, dancer was dying, Dancer was boring up, a chopper music, I take over, forgot? Since Kartel come up, chopping music park up, I'm still listening to chopping music. Big up to Dunceman and them man. Yes, big up to Skipper, big up to Kraft, big up to Pablo and them man. Me listen to the most new, me react to the most new dancehall artists. Any blood clear reaction channel. Me tell you that. And me bust the most new artists and listen to the most new artists where people never heard of. You see me? Yes. Yeah. Let me tell you this, you should have been do that, but you didn't do that. Kartel come out and revive and show people, yo, dancehall artists can sell out arenas. Dancehall artists can sell out blood cleat stadiums. Dancehall artists can, you see me? Can ask you $1 million, $2 million a show. And he make full price rise up now. You see me? I say Kartel did that. But they never do that. You see me? We don't do too coward for blood cleat, for too coward for clash. So now when the man come out, you have to sit back and watch the man do him thing. Because no never go off a crowd and that wouldn't be too coward for do that shit. You see me and say, gang, yeah man, I real talk, man. No, not talk.
So levels can't
Levels can't
play so. Nobody don't expect them song you forgot big like shake it to the max or crocodile teeth. So levels can't play. Vybz Kartel build him career upon war.
Wrong again. Kartel being him career upon blood cleat, it's idiot. But it's style, Kartel have a culture and a choke out from them busting, brother. Kartel bring him song with beer hits, beer style and pattern with the people them want to follow. And that really big Kartel. The clash was just one of the thing on the man belt. I want to tell them, man. I want to tell them, you talk sense. You talk, him have sense.
Yeah. I talk about 2003. Kartel go up against Ninja Man. Yeah. Kartel bust like a year change them time and want to go up against Ninja Man and Ninja Man.
This Spragger, this Assassin.
So now, when a juvenile who, as I said, Masicka, Gaza adjacent, I call you out, you have to take the call. I don't want to hear about $1 million show. This is for Jamaica and Jamaicans. If foreigners want to take on to Wagwan, yeah, so cool. But this is for we. Remember, Bunty say for interview, me no fear war Kartel. I'm a Vado. But Kartel still a follow me even upon the clash. The man I mentioned Bunty name and Vado say, stop mentioning Bunty name. So I don't want to see no levels here. I don't want to hear about no man on a 50. I don't want to hear about no man on a 40. Yo,
Kartel did say in the interview they do with such people. He did say,
with the fix, come on, be respectful. With the fix.
With the fix.
Be respectful, Jordan.
I have a reason why I'm not respectful, but whatever.
Alright, cool.
You see me? Him say, him wanna clash Alkaline. Him say Alkaline and Masicka for clash. Is that
and he's lying.
Out of the generation thing?
No. He's lying. Kartel did a follow up Alkaline while him in a jail. Now granted, Vybz Kartel is still a human being, Adija Palmer.
Okay.
Cool? So a man come out of prison and him have a new perspective of life. He has a second chance at life. Like he was facing 35. He would have come out when he was 70. Thereabout, right? I'm going like 35, thereabout.
Yeah, 35.
Yeah,
turn 50.
Whatever, but he's gonna reach old. So him come out now and he hasn't dropped a gun song since. So I believe him when him say him change, him not meds that. But at the same time, bro, you're the king. and Masicka say I go for the throne, you have to defend it, bro. Levels can't play, stand Masicka on the ground. For how long now, brother?
Masicka don't. For Masicka to go for each one, dog have to put in some serious work, brother. Cause that is crazy. That is crazy for a man to come on here and do so much for come war Masicka just because he said so. You're crazy, a straight Masicka. You crazy. You know what? Alkaline anything no dog. You see me? And then there's other artists that's doing better than you, like Skilly. Bro, come on, bro. You cannot go for Kartel's crown. You have to go for a new generation crown. You know what I'm saying?
From it on after, Masicka is the most consistent artist. And the only reason why
I noticed a Kartel never go for Beanie crown. Kartel got a crown for a different generation. Kartel recognized Beanie as a king back then. He never say, yo, I want Beanie man crown. He want Beanie man. The man never say that. The man come and get him own a crown, bro. And that's enough for meds.
Masicka don't really have that peak like that because he's not social.
Yeah, him no. Same thing him always say.
He's not social. We don't know Masicka.
Enter.
Yeah, man. No. They don't want to touch pan, let's be honest.
It's more legal than you think. And legal...
They have some point of view, but they want to touch pan this, man. You crazy.
We never see Masicka even to laugh.
What I'm telling you.
All the man do, I was sure say, the dog, remind us say him rich.
Yeah, him have my house title, your
Yeah,
house
bro.
title, and your house title.
And him can buy my mother house too, for this me. Pussy Jennifer, I buy your mother house. Suck your mother.
Yeah.
You see me? So the dog is fools.
Brolly.
So, I hear uno, but if Kartel don't answer Masicka, I think this king of dancehall thing, I feel put down. That's my honest opinion. He might have to say something, bro.
Me and you might think so, you know, but public opinion might
I mean,
not sway, bro.
I not care what the public want to say. It's just
Yeah,
common
man.
sense, bro. It's common sense.
know,
Big up
common
Radio
sense,
Road.
bro.
But it's common sense, bro.
was like
You
you
can't
lose
say
your
you're the
common
king. Remember
sense.
when Kartel come out there, you know? And they might defend the king thing. And remember say Beanie want to clash him, you know?
Yeah.
Well, guess what? The people them say, Beanie, have a seat. We acknowledge
down.
you as the king,
Put
but
it
he's
down.
a new king.
Yeah.
And now Masicka, I say my new king. So it's either way, I'll make it better. Kartel is a king for that generation, and Masicka is a king for now.
That's what you need to say. That's what you need. Kartel is the king for that generation, and guess what? If Masicka be declared the king for now, or king for this generation, he has a lot of artists in running for that. Because if you don't do Alkaline, you can't really say that. You feel me? Yeah, niggas like Skilly bang on them thing there. So that is very, bro. You can't say a king when it's very debatable. There's no debate. Kartel is a king for his generation. There's no debate in that, bro. Even right now, I'm not trying to pick up Kartel and be biased, bro. But based on if you try to deny that shit, are you out of touch and you're being biased? Cause the work what the man put in for the culture, even for the past year that the man has been out. Are you crazy, bro? Are y'all smoking crack or something? In make dancehall artist price gone up. Do you even understand that, dog? It make people look on dancehall artists like real stars again. Do y'all even get that to y'all freaking heads? Do y'all even think? They are crazy.
This generation.
But we've been saying that's what they should do.
But that's not what they did.
But that's not what they did. They went on some fest and crowned the man king of
Because here,
dancehall.
I'm not understand, you know. Look, you know, to the Gaza fans, I want me to talk to directly.
Here we go.
Kartel is too old to clash, but he's not too old to run dancehall. I don't understand. Oh, you're too old for clash, but you're not too old for run dancehall. It makes sense, bro.
You're
Shoot out to
old
the back,
enough.
brother.
You're young
Shoot out to the
enough.
back, bro.
You're young enough for...
Nah, I'm not too old. No man not qualify. Your things are certain go. You go look for boxing. Alright? The thing say just because I'm a next man say, I'm a champion, they just give him a shot at the title. No, bro, you gotta go put in your work. Yo, Brando was good, Skiller was good. The thing say just so the thing work, where the man does, I'm the new champ. And he's like, all right, go 5 feet tackle. No, bro, you got to put in that work, bro. You got to go beat every other contender that came before you, bro. What is wrong with these man? Come on, talk truth. Come on, man.
But you're not young enough for clash, for fight. I don't
So,
understand that either.
I understand, but bro, no,
Hey.
friend killer, traitor,
Hey,
faggy.
man. Hey, man.
Ray. Enough more time, so I can't remember everything, bro. Because
system,
even
man.
in the last
The man big
review,
up, no, not only that. But I mean, more for breakdown on the song.
Breakdown it, man.
Call Shaggy and Sean Paul.
I could
And
DJ
bring them
that.
up, yeah.
Come find some Mr. Bishop, you know already. I'm telling you something very, very, very important. See, December 28th. I know it's Christmas time, so I forgot to enjoy ourselves, even at the cold. December 28th.
When you're inspired.
Brando, what's going on? Skiller was good. Well, go on, right? People, on a day night Sunday. You see me? Yeah, man, when I talk about the culture, man, I want to see no thoughts and opinion in the comment section. You see me when I talk about the clash in the dance hall, I talk about Kartel, King of dance hall, all that good stuff. I talk about everything when I go on. You see me, I say, when I get the live them back and active. You see me, that's why you see in the building. You see me, big up to Skiller and big up to Brando in the building. You see me?
To the show. And that's why I say,
Bring up Shaggy and Sean
this
Paul.
king thing, me not go there something you say, Shaggy are the king or Sean Paul are the king.
Right.
Reason being, them never claim it. You have to claim this
And
shit.
we have
yeah.
a rule. We have a rule.
If you not claim, me not fight for it, or you not fight for it. I'm sorry. I'm not doing it. So I'm not gonna sit here and say Shaggy is the king or Sean Paul is the king. Now, if they make an argument that they're the king, they have a case. They have a case, but at the same time, this will be like a war and warrior blood and
teacher's
badness
career
and all
is
them
off
something.
of that, yeah.
Oh,
It's
oh,
hard for us Gaza fans trying to dispute that, like, oh, him beyond this now. When half of his career, that's what he did. Half of his career was built on.
No, that's where you're freaking wrong. Clashing and them thing that just happen. You see me? That was part of it, but that's not half a man career. Kartel come off of like hits. You see me? The man, bro, I want to know, man, the man have a cultural impact. You see me? The man had sayings. You see me? The man had, the man had things where people wanted to emulate. And whether it was slang and thing when he come up with, whether I wear him dress, you see me? Whether you see me in charisma, what you see me? The man was an all-round freaking star, bro. Kartel. The man was influential everywhere. You see me? Which other artist see that? You don't see Masicka come make no talk when nobody a make. You don't see him have no style when nobody really a copy. The man have good tune. You see me? Yo, no look on the head, man. Look on the head.
you understand? So, me don't know about the Shaggy and Sean Paul thing.
Bringing up, saying, yo, Shaggy sell diamond on a chain. So
Yeah.
Sean-
Even Shaggy and Sharpa, even them didn't have a cultural impact that Vybz Kartel had. They had big songs. Yeah, they might have sell more, but culturally, nobody wanted to be like Shaggy and Sharpa, bro. They didn't have no saying that people had was running with like that. You see me? I say they just sell a lot of records, which, yeah, you can say, yo, selling records is part of it, but when it comes to overall, bro, yeah, Kartel, even them man, it's gonna be.
Paul go
hard.
take the thing up, take the business and put it on a crane. We lifting up the business a certain
Yeah,
way.
yo, as I said, bro.
Then him say, yo, do you have king in your name? You register king? You register king in your name? Why everybody vex? Bro, literally the same thing we did I say in the last part, bro. It's like Masicka. When me did I say, yo,
Also, tell
I
us.
try to fight the system, I fight
yeah.
the cycle, bro. I'm not dep on that.
Appreciate
It's
that, guys.
literally
Appreciate
exactly
that.
what the man comments up on the song. I'm not dep on that, bro. And like I said,
Yeah, you know me, I like to. Big up to Vybz Kartel. I'm gonna say Vybz Kartel is one of the greatest artists ever.
Not
Not
just
dancehall
right,
artists.
for sure.
Artists ever.
And then you want to come, you see, you contradict your ass self. You contradict your ass. The man not make no sense right now, no. You can't, you I gotta say, you're big up, you're one of the greatest artists ever. Not only dance artists, but artists ever. Then you want to say the man figure blood click clash a man like Masicka, we don't even afraid if you go against, you're crazy, bro. You don't have no sense. The man come back and literally revive dancehall for you. Raise up the price of dancehall. Give back dancehall the respect we deserve. And really, you know have this conversation right now. You know are mad people, you know. Literally, you know. Yo, we don't need psychiatric
Swear to God.
evaluation, man.
Ever. When you see one song them on the right for people, when you see the man give everybody in a Gaza each song.
Everybody in Gaza, including the man who right now not say man for clash. Without my dogs, them have to live Masicka would not be Masicka. You see me, Masicka would have to still tell Puffy and Tyler story, brother. I want to know, man. Them man, they made it that I understand one reason.
But in a Gaza, the man write a hit
And
song.
apparently
for you know.
sometimes at this song.
Cool. So now, what me I say is this,
Bro,
right?
everybody in a Gaza and give a hit song, give Masicka a hit song, give Tamil a hit song, Skilly Bang, Squash. What is wrong with y'all, bro? Popcorn. Are we serious right now? Even rival, even the other person who really for say, which is Movada. Even Movada, man, get 10 blood cleat hit song and send him a road. What we ask, what really are they discuss? You don't have sense, bro. You know,
We talk about
man.
accolades and all of them something there.
Okay.
Kartel, when it comes on to culture and representing Jamaica,
Second to none.
second to none. Right?
You
But
see,
this-
dog, me not understand. Holy fucking. Me not understand, bro. How you gonna sit down? How you gonna sit down and say this and I say him need to clash or freaking Masicka? For King, bro. Masicka need to go clash somebody else, bro. Me rate Masicka and all, bro. But you can't sit down and I say them same shit here. The man say when it come to the culture, second to none. Right? The man said, greatest artist. Are you serious right now? You know, sister, no lad, you have to be consistent, bro. Be consistent. No logic nah, make nah add up. You see me and say, nah, add up, bro. What's
Shaggy and
Come
Sean
on.
Paul thing. What for understand say them man they really set it, and if you look on even a man like Beanie Man, Kartel has never gotten a hot 100 Billboard song. Beanie Man have 6. You see me? Beanie Man have 6. Like and again, the people that give him the kingship, I'm not trying to take that away, but would I want a king where if he's challenged, am I gonna say him too old? If you're too old to spar, you have to step down, bro.
Step down.
I thought like when Joe Biden and Trump go up and Obama say, bossy, come down.
But I guess that's
You
why
know?
one of the princes were fighting.
Yo, you know the man we make excuse for Kartel like it's not. See that? Yo, Sean Paul and Shaggy signed. That's what recording labels are for.
That's what you're supposed to do.
And this man do this shit fully independent. Are you crazy? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And Masicka signed right now and can't even do. Oh my gosh.
You're supposed to get a good deal. If you want to be independent, cause being independent means that yes, you might have you have your masters and you get a bigger cut, but it also means that you might not propel to another level.
Yeah.
Michael Jackson was signed. Does that mean that the man who could have ground walk better than Michael Jackson or bigger than Michael Jackson because he wasn't signed? You're supposed to sign. And don't
You're
get
not
this thing
supposed to.
twisted.
You get it? You see, that's where you lost me. You're not supposed to. You're not supposed to. You don't have to. You're supposed to be independent and still can. You're
Labels
You're lost.
are not bad people. Labels give you a deal based upon the leverage what you have. Don't think say jerk in no 360 deal. Don't think say jerk no cause what profit and make.
Yeah.
You see me? And them a run a business. Some don't want to hear this thing about Kartel with independent. Like every single time when they move the goalpost. I'm gonna go say, see ya? Sean Paul have features.
Yeah.
Sean Paul have Get Busy. Get Busy went #1 in the world. That's Get Busy. Dually rhythm.
Yeah.
Cool?
Temperature.
Him alone. Temperature. Snow cold
#1 in
rhythm.
the
Him
world.
alone. Baby boy. Beyonce I use Sean Paul energy. Next one name about #1, Cheap Thrills.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we are talking about songs with enough artists. Right now, honestly, if I think about it, at 20 versus 20 Sean Paul song, enough people can beat Sean Paul.
It's gonna be a difficult time.
So, I'm not there to say Sean Paul better than Vybz Kartel or Vybz Kartel better than Sean Paul. Sean Paul don't want the king nothing. He never claim it. Shaggy was don't want it. Shaggy I deal with Hurricane Melissa and Shaggy and friends.
If you ever play in a game, any fighting game, and you see like sliders, them have Kartel have like him slider for culture, they all the way 100. But maybe the slider for like international success is not there, like
Because-
it would be for Shaggy and Sean Paul.
So now, when I see Masicka I go up to the throne, you have to give the dog a fight, brother. You have to. You have to give the dog a fight. I mean, now I think say Kartel coward. I would never think that. But at the same time, we can't speak for you, man.
With Thriven,
Cartel
your personal
level
finances
past levels
start with
past
you,
that.
but
Oh,
their
I'm
impact
telling you, bro.
can reach even
I'm telling you. What I hear that, man? Man, levels past that already, dog. Oh, I'm telling you. Man, don't have to look for none of them, man. The man solidify himself. Oh, I'm telling you.
Teacher have to fight for the throne, bro. If I
Teacher
some
have
throne,
the
something have
throne.
to start. It can't be that. Because think about it,
Hey,
though.
man, have a throne. Man, have a fight for nothing. Nah,
You're
mad
telling me
smart.
a man who one of his biggest moments is clashing, right? Was one of his biggest moments.
I think
Reach a level.
It's top 2.
No, reach a level where him can't clash again because there's nobody to clash. When, in his own words, both pan pen and both verbally, say, yo, that youth will be a worthy opponent by 2020. Kartel said that. Kartel said that, bro. You see me? So I'm not love to see it. Kartel should. I remember when I find out Kartel age, I was so surprised. Because growing up, I used to think that Killer was like 20 years older than Kartel. To him talk about Killer, dinosaur, and rare, and him fossil fuel, and.
What if?
Tell me what if.
What if him just not have that venom there anymore?
I don't think he's a venom in having. This is Vybz Kartel we're talking about. But I just feel like him don't have that. Him don't have the aggression because him knows it might translate back to real life. I don't know, bro. I feel like he might try to stay as far away from badness, whether in the
Music
the musical or the literal or the figurative. Him not care. Him just don't want to have nothing to
But
do
then I
with badness.
can also play devil's advocate in a way where it's the same thing. If he doesn't reply, it would be the same thing he did to Donia.
But him did give Donia shots. Pause. That can be crazy.
Subliminals here and there for sure. So you're saying like things like that should be. He should like when he's doing the music, he should have some subliminals or.
Talk about the Donia thing for a second. In reality, Kartel wouldn't want to mess Donia because if you look upon it, Donia was there, you know, but it's really him taking a back to the fight with Donia. A Val the dog a pre fully. You see me?
You don't think he would be thinking that he would be taking a back
But
to
I'm
go on?
saying, listen what I'm saying, you know? All right, this would be like Jay-Z and Drake. One is a legend, now nothing else to prove, but him a say, nobody can do what him do, and no little boy can size up. And then here comes the little boy who proved himself to a theme generation.
A size up.
A size up. It makes sense, bro. Nigga, I think, check this. Tyson fight Ali? Check if Tyson fight Muhammad Ali.
I don't think he did. No.
I think Tyson fight Muhammad Ali, bro.
No.
I think Tyson fight Muhammad Ali.
I'm gonna
They
look.
just brought the boxing up,
Check that
boxing
shit.
thing. They did not.
I think Tyson fight Muhammad Ali.
No, they did not.
It's the ultimate fantasy matchup.
Are them ham?
It never happened. It never happened, bro. It's dream.
One of them OG, they fight one of them young nigga there, bro.
I'm trying to tell you, just because I look a young nigga come
That
across
never
size
for
up.
sure.
All of this fantasy matchup, I never go on.
Bro,
I'm sure
see,
about that.
But tell us that man last night before they even got here. I was telling you about boxing, bro. Man, I tell us no little youth can't come and say true, man say man the champ, man the new champ, man go fight the champion. That's not how this shit works, my nigga. You gotta beat everybody first to get there. What's wrong with y'all? Come on, man.
So who would it? Some like some young, some you see me? Generation, whatever. It's for happen, bro. Cause if we ever say this, that means so who's supposed to clash Carter? Shabal?
The way media move now.
Alkaline and Masicka need to settle before they can even go to blood clean. You see me? Cause that's what Kartel did. Kartel clash everybody. Him clash blood clean, Movar, him clash Beanie Man, Botti, Donia. You know much people it ugly clash. And then Masicka wanna come. What they ain't get that? We even hear Masicka clash nobody? Other than Tamili? Come on now.
Nobody.
Blood
Cartel's above it now.
JWG night building.
He's above it. He is just above clashing now. Like,
Alright, so let me get this straight. So every
Kartel fighting Masicka It's like Drake fighting Kendrick Lamar. That should have never happened. Drake should have never clashed Kendrick Lamar. You know what? Drake was already at number 1. He had nothing to gain from that clash. The only thing could have happened to Drake is to lose. You see me? The man had the most streams. The man had the biggest hits. The man have been consistent for years. You feel me? Kendrick come and drop a little project now and then and disappear. Come on, Kendrick was nowhere near the great, bro. But guess what? People wanted something where they can argue about. Where they can say, yo, you see me? Where they can dispute him kingship or him reign. That's what people wanted, you know? Which is what people want for Kartel right now. Right now, people, he's undisputed, he's the king, so now people want something where they can chew and say, yo, you know say this thing happen, or you know say maybe they want something for chewing the way can put as a variable. You see me? They want to say, yeah, like for instance, now you say your Kartel, yeah, him doing thing in a clash, him doing thing when it comes to hit songs, him doing thing behind bars when it comes to tank and ray. So they want something for be able to say and dispute him kingship. So that's why they want, because clashing, you know, is opinionated. Yeah? There's no solid like there's no skill to evaluate a clash. We say, yo, definitely this man win. It's mostly based on blood cleat feelings, all right, or opinions. That's what they decided, you know. So that's what they want. If the dog go fight, go war against Masicka, so they can say, yo, Masicka did the good against Kartel, you know. So we can say, wait, and have this variable where you can have a discussion. No, right now the man there, right now, it's undisputed the level where man upon right now. And that he man need to stay, make some little boy go easy. If I was Kartel, I would not. But like me say, Masicka, all clients, they should have put it in work before Kartel come at jail. Enough people agree with me, and you know, have to agree with me. You might hate me take, but my take is real take. They should have put in that work before Kartel come from jail. When Kartel come from jail, Kartel should have to sit on one side and say, yo, make it good. Make the youth them run with it. Because them put in the work, the fans have decided these are the kings. These are, you know what I'm saying, them are man who run the place. But come on now, bro. From Kartel come to jail, all on the park up. So all no want to say on run the place, bro. Huh? A Kartel come make you can open the price. Huh? A Kartel can revive dancehall, not chop dancehall, but dancehall. Huh? What are we talking about right now? Come on, no, y'all crazy.
Buddy, so
Like me I say, Kartel fighting Warren Masicka is like Drake fighting. There's nothing for Kartel to gain from this. There is nothing. Him have the throne, him have the crown. Come on now. Where if Alkaline and Masicka want to be the new kings, they gotta go at each other. They gotta do the for them thing and for them error. That's my opinion. Levels card, this is bigger than levels card.
supposed to clash
y'all crazy.
on behalf of Kartel, except Kartel. Cool.
But that them I say,
Cool.
it's the same thing you say about the whole king thing, you know.
Cool.
If he's the king and you're going to consider, you know, his sons, his princes, like not necessarily him real son them, or him real son them and the music son them. You see me?
And
That's
I
what
want to get this whole king thing war. First of all, when a king have a tune and somebody can contest the tune, the king send out him army. I want to know, man, you have to defeat the army. You have to defeat the king's man before you can get to the king. I want to you. You don't want to talk about the real way of kingship, go? And Kartel did that, you know. When he go for king defeat everybody around it where it's them of the bodies, the man go for half of everybody before him even reach the point. You see me I say? How man talk about, man?
Well, he did. He fought on behalf of Kartel. This is not just for Tommy Lee, bro. I'm really stuck on that. I don't think that's just Tommy Lee saying, yo. I genuinely don't think that. Because the way things are going, especially since the song they come out, bro, but now like it just sounds like heavy Gaza corruption. And I that him depend. When I say, yo, man, I depend on that. Come feel, say, yo. Well, way Masicka going, I say, yo, bro, I see the player already, you know. I not really you me need for deal with me. I get you out of the way, but I know how what this.
Yeah, make him write a song.
Him write a song. Him afraid of me.
Afraid of what?
These are the things
After
he's
this
saying,
defeat
bro.
the king's men.
All right, go
to
to
you.
that. You listen to me on
I
them?
think you're going to say you want tune and you just walking around kingdom and just challenging. No, you got to defeat the king's men. You got to go through him army and then you have to go through the king's right hand. Before you ever reach your throne room.
I listened to
I'm listening, bro, but I'm gonna say the beat threw me off immediately.
the last one I think was a mistake.
That was rushed.
Yeah, that was a mistake. The one right after Death, the one right after not Death Row, the one right after
System.
Yeah, the one right after System. I could say alright.
That one there, and I want to and my show say my sweep out the crux and bro, Tamil tune them tough, you know. But them tough if you dissect them. Like in the car, you know, really. But the Masicka one in my punch, bro. Masicka talk some things, bro.
It's just unfortunate because while I do think Tamil is gonna put us on that song just because I think, like I say, System just take the weapon out of him hand. We're not deal with this no more.
It was nearly the holidays and
System is a cop out. I want to know. White flag. I want to wave surrender. I want to move up. No, mad smarty.
help from PetSmart appear.
Mind you know, him drop System and then drop a next song that was only aimed at basically Tamil, you know. Death Row is literally aimed at say Tamil, you're done with this. You're done yourself. You see me? Tell your boss to reply.
I know, so.
Him use
And
System.
that, and you can't say you're done with a blood clean. No, the people them decide that. So you take it up on your head, but you're done with where it is, you lost. I wanna deal with, bro. I want to. No want to be biased, you know. I want to be biased to everybody, you know. But when it comes to Kartel, no one going like say, oh, no one job. If move up.
If you just take the weapon out of him, man. No, it doesn't look Tamil, you run it down, because now what is everybody talking about? Kartel and Masicka. Not Tamil and Masicka. I'm not talking about that anymore.
Can I ask this? You remember, I don't remember the song name, you know.
No, I know.
You have notes coming. I remember the song lyrics of it.
Talk. What you say?
If would the Gaza fans then be saying that Kartel, if it was Alkaline, and Alkaline threw direct shots off of Vybz Kartel, would the Gaza fans still say that Kartel is too old? Because any age he was at the time when they follow up Alkaline, him
Just
still
see,
at
like,
the same
same
gap.
age,
If
yeah.
he's 18 years older than Alkaline, him still 18 years older than Alkaline this day.
Yeah,
You hear me where I come from? And we cannot forget the fact, say, when Kartel come on road, when you say a Kartel run dancehall.
He is.
With what song, I don't know. I don't think Kartel know, but him find songs to come out. God is
At
rich and
least
whatever. So someone want to ask again, how a man can be 50 and run dancehall, but him can be 50 and can't clash because him too old for clash.
No, bro, it's just a narrative, bro, and we're gonna be
Can't
real.
do this, brother.
We're gonna be real. Yo, you see, in fandom, sometimes you have to notice in a fandom too, you know. Not necessarily, I'm not gonna say Kartel scared, but Uno scared. Uno scared.
I'm scared too.
The rain under pressure, man. Uno scared.
Because when Kartel go off a bounty, by phone metric now and phone laws, Kartel should have never tried to
Should have
size
never
up
do
the
that.
bounty.
Should have never do that, bro. Remember,
never.
you know, Kartel say, yo, me do what I do with my father, I kill her next. And as much as father still did that defend the thing, you say, me nah deal with you, I kill her more answer. Killer, you nah stop suck pussy, you can't dismiss me.
You say, yes, I shit, but you know I'm shit from
You're right.
to county.
Yeah, bro.
Anyways, Death Note, where lyrics them there?
Death Row.
Death Row, Blood Killer, yo, father. I mean, I watch anime and them somewhere there, you know?
So you know, since I'm
I'm
on the
asking
line.
to look at my books. I'm telling him, I say, you have to start troll, the dog start troll. Is it me?
Him got serious allegations in a Death Row, though.
What up?
With the young girl thing, rape a boy and them thing there. He did say those things about Tamil. Say, a young
I feel like Masicka not tell a lie and I'm thinking, no, sorry, that's not how I no, I feel like he might work off of things where him hear.
Yeah, man.
Bro, you have to tell some lie,
Sometimes
bro.
you have to, yeah.
You have to say Kartel fucking baby mother and them something there and my boy jacket and
Yeah, man.
Ray. You have to say them good thing there. Clash about lying in there, bro.
Say some things that I could have fucked shot.
Yeah.
Masicka lose in the last minute when he tried to pull the whole Drake pedophile fuckery. That was a easy cop out. He think he was gonna be the Kendrick Lamar. You see me, I'm gonna be real. That he lose off of me with that. He was trying to get a quick win. Oh, the man are very fine. That now working at answer. We now pull them game there. You see, we try to defame Drake Curry, Drake Curry and them thing there. Nada, move up with the style. The style they been used. Go ahead.
I see man get up and tell and say man over them, you know.
Brawling.
And it's lying,
Never
bro.
good, you know.
I saw them think they work, you see me? But back to Death Note. Tell me the Death Note, no?
So in Death Row.
Death Row.
Yeah, in Death
Death
Row.
Note the song name. Let's work with it.
Yeah.
Work with me. You know what I say?
In Death Note.
Yeah.
Basically, bro, there's nothing new he said in it other than the rape allegations. Maga be real. Those are the him never.
And him
used
go, I
that.
think at the forceness and the new flow.
And then also him say, yo, him, I don't know if he could be lying, but him say in a prison you get boxed up.
No, that did come in the news.
Huh?
That did come in the news.
So him put that in it too, in a death row. Him still do the whole, you know, answer for the cokehead allegations, but him allow that. Mostly him focus.
In the kind of answer still, him say, we take Malian, weed and drugs.
And you know what?
Yeah,
He also
they
say,
been said that.
Him also say how you feel being, like, not in these words, but him say how you feel being in comparison with a cokehead right now. Tommy Lee did bring up that kind of vibe saying, so, yo, me and you are war. You talk to me about, we're there.
Yeah, I tell you this right now, I don't think Gozo plan to stop. I fought it.
No, him not gonna stop, bro. Him not gonna stop, bro.
But here what?
We know that.
I will say this, the ultimate winner of this clash will know on the 26th at Zimmy. I swear. Let's see which song can play in the dance and which one the people them remember. Let's see if one of them can find a song outside of Wagwan.
Who are got brave enough to play system?
What do you mean?
Which DJ got
Enough man can play it. DJ stop get beat up on them something, brother. Them something like I'm gonna say this again. But one thing to take from my set today, take this. The family and Masicka, una make money. Yesterday I up on the phone with some reputable names in music.
Industry.
And at one point I forget Dark.
He did.
I forget up on the cartoon.
I was there.
I forget Dark. Because it's like I want to say,
me.
don't say this and don't push your narrative because our vloggers make the man them war. So you're telling me, say, Vybz Kartel, who will sure get $1 million a show. Tommy Lee, who will sure have money. Masicka, who we don't have a question, fame riches.
My title, your title, your
right?
title.
You're telling me, say, Jeffrey, Terodan, Naro, Brando. We were there, so broke like dog, can make you go bush shot off of each other? Make it make sense. So more for remind you, no, say una millionaires. More for remind you, say una role models. And more for remind you, this is entertainment. Because after I done listen Death Row last night, I go make one ramen noodle because I did hungry. You understand? Yeah, and I never have no water. I have to drive go to Isle go buy a case of water with my fucking money.
While cussing us.
Well, you understand? So,
cussing.
I want you to remember this. I want the man them around the DJ remember this. Prisoner nice. And out of the 3 man them are involved right now, 2 of them got prison already. Mm-hmm. It not nice.
Serve some serious time.
So when I need no energy in the road from no entourage member, make it be nice, bro. No
but you still need for answer.
Who need for answer? Oh, Kartel?
Teacher.
As I said, I'm not a problem with Kartel not answering. I just know how the king thing. He is a king. And again, you know the other thing? Kartel bigger than king. I'm tired of saying.
Yeah, it's with the king thing bigger than him.
You see this crackhead blood clip them on us. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dog. On the train of thought don't make no sense. On the train of thought don't make no sense. Cause if a man bigger than this, why don't want this man to clash Masicka? Only Masicka this shit gonna benefit, bro. What is wrong with you? See that man, dog? Oh my god. Oh my god. Like do this entire episode, this man contradict himself about 4 or 5 blood plea time. Right? It's a Kartel. When it comes to the culture, he's second to none. He's a legend, one of the greatest artists of all time. Not only dancehall artists, just artists, period. Come on, bro. Make it make sense, bro. And you say man bigger than king. Oh my god.
Emperor role or whatever,
bro,
that's what he is.
Bro, and guess what going on now? Who had the role? Shabba had the role. Yeah,
people
yeah,
Shabba.
yeah, no, that's not. Him had the role. I think
okay.
Emperor. Take Shabba role, man. Take Shabba role, man.
Take Shabba time up.
Cause me I tell you, bro, this king thing is tricky because the king of reggae It's
Don't get it
forever,
wrong,
man.
let's be honest on them point of view now. You see me, I said, don't feel like say, yo, me I give my, like, say, yo, it's like rated them, yeah, man. Big up, let's be honest, big up Jay Frey, but Jay Frey, bro, your train of thoughts now make sense, bro. You're not being consistent. And so you're not consistent with it. We say, I'm madness, brother. Things are not add up. You see me, I say, yeah.
And I don't think Bob Marley should be the king. A king has to be alive.
Yeah.
That's the first thing. I don't think MJ is the king of pop anymore. He was the king of pop.
Most kings get their head cut off for
You see me?
real.
So, make it make sense. And again, if we're going to say Vybz Kartel is too old to clash, he cannot be the king.
Then you must let it go.
Let it go, man. Start I'll be sure one more time, but it's the last time, I promise you now. You see Nova ship JA, ship with her. Me I buy up a bag of things, Christmas tree.
Yeah, man, they make some good point and then the man then disprove them point, then the man then contradict themselves, then they, you see me, I say, Jeffrey, let's be honest, bro, yeah, bro, levels card have to play, the man come out and put in so much work, and the man if you can give it up to this dude, that's the, come on now, Masicka right now is supposed to be tanking Kartel, you see me, this man come out and raise up the price in the dance hall, the people don't realize you're a dance hall artist, you know. Yeah, man, they can sell out arenas and shows and things, and they can, you know, the man come and up it thing, brother. Supposed to pay homage and respect that. Oh, I'm telling you, man.
You send out your son them, cool? But your son them feel.
Oh, feel.
So if your son
Lie
them
that.
feel.
Lie that. Cause right now, Black Rhino and Tom Plucker blow. Oh, I'm telling you, let's talk truth. Black Rhino right now, I kill them right now. Black Rhino drop a tune, drop Blood Cleat, Purge, bad no Blood Cleat. Black Rhino just a coming out of the word. But Black Rhino if he keeps drop some more tune, bro. You see me? Cause Black Rhino Purge better than enough I shot him. What? And Joshy feel like say that was some weak fence thing. And watch out, Joshy jumping out of the word too. So what are you saying now? Me not feel like Masicka defeat Tamale like that. You see me? I said the war not even supposed to be done yet.
Masicka not worthy? And mind you, these are Kartel words that Masicka would be a worthy opponent by 2020. It's now 2025. But one thing I can say about Masicka, the dog force you fuck, the dog be serious. Man say, me not depend on styling thing with a man, I beg no strength, I beg no collab. Yo, listen to me, anybody who ever beg Masicka collab, go delete. Please go unsend that message right now. You go to screenshot it already, but just go unsend that message right now, the man. That'll force you fuck. Yo,
but I want you to rank it in terms of
Kartel should never give me collab. Because he wouldn't do right when they right and I can't try force up. Let's think about that now.
of a moment that we've had on social media for dancehall. Do you think this is one of the biggest?
Hell no. You say no.
So okay, we can talk.
It's not a moment. You rank it.
Yeah, that's right. You don't think this is a moment?
I think this was a moment to say a win or lose and he won. So it's not a moment. That's what I think. I think
once you gonna win, you see a bias, you are trying to be biased right now. You see me? Because you say we know in clash no don't. Man, Tamil, keep on job tune them mute. Because them man I feel like say that's how thing go. You feel like say artist can just say, oh, me don't know, I'm a winner. So and that's how the thing go.
What we came
and
to
you
see,
don't decide that.
Do you,
in the end,
do you think this, where does this rank with like Microwave?
Microwave was a bigger moment than this because at the time, two other artists were fire.
Hot artists.
Yeah, because Microwave was overdo it and World Cup and all of them something.
It's true.
So it was really, as much as Alkaline they had the dominance, I mean, I even say dominance over Papi. I think Alkaline thing was just more bright.
And that's where you're wrong, because Alkaline did not have the dominance over Papi. When Kartel got Jane, for a while, Alkaline and Blood Clot carried the dancehall on him back. Him Alkaline and Popcorn. Anybody want Blood Clot come against that? No, nothing about dancehall. Yeah, because when Kartel got Jane, enough of these men get lazy. Except for a little time where Alkaline come and try to throw against Kartel and way. A Popcorn and carry dancehall on him, Blood Clot, but that's why Popcorn they went there right now.
I knew,
so,
and it fall as a surprise because me as a fan never know about Alkaline and Papi beef. It fall as a surprise. It was short-lived. It was way shorter than this, if you think about it. It was just 2 songs, 3 songs max.
3 songs max, yeah.
You see me? So I would say that is show Alkaline first. Remember I said Masicka as an underground artist was a clash artist, you know. What talk about our dancehall and them days, the pencil, Maestro Dan, set Alkaline. You get me? So it's whatever, man. It's whatever. Why is it talk about? I'm not spend the whole 1 hour. What about Joshy? Josh drop a new song. I think he drop a new song.
No, him drop a song yesterday.
Purge Beat or something like that.
Yeah, to Skirtle.
Okay.
Listen, Skirtle and Tommy Lee and Skeng again. Skeng just like get named, just like get called up apparently.
Bro, in my opinion, Black Rhino right off Joshy, you know. You see me and say Black Rhino right off Joshy. Joshy say, yo, go suck. Yeah, man say go suck your mother. I tell your mother suck her mother. And suck your brother. Your dead brother. Them kill your brother. Hey, come on no, bro. Man tell you didn't kill your brother if you lift up you back. Hey.
Level scare thing now.
Don't play Black Rhino, dog. Rhino, if you're seeing this, dog, keep dropping tunes, bro. Keep dropping tunes.
Let's finish off. Pause. Wow.
Science.
No, sir. Hey, hey!
Science.
Money!
Come down.
We're not gonna this. I promise you. We're not gonna this.
Cool.
We're not. You know, we got to work, man. We'll wait.
Wait for see what go on.
No, we'll wait till it.
Oh.
And then we'll ready. But we never got that time. Oh, that's loud that completely, bro. I swear to God. Masicka
Circle
album.
them.
Next.
What you think with impact his album?
Yo, don't stop playing with this
When the
like
Secret
this
Santa
thing.
name Santa gets is...
Oh, let's stop playing this thing, brother. Yes, man. Yeah, man, we are more video for job phone, yo. Yeah, man, me more video for job phone, man. You see me, I catch up on the word. I drop your phone later and idea, dog. The live here is really just remember and say, yo, the done their own. You see me? The done their own. Jambisco done still there. We still drop the video them, so people please turn on the notification. I'm back active. You see me? When me drop the video, them on to show it, I'm on to go crazy on the like button. You see me what I say? Yeah,
One
man.
of two things, which I don't think, one or two things, I don't think this first thing is going to happen. I don't know if Kartel's going to try to step on it. It's very possible, but I just don't want to know if he's going to step on it. He could, and if that's the case, then it'll go where it go. Two, because the EP is so, it seems to be so woman-based, like based in women and, you know. I think it's called Her Name Is Love. So it seems to be very based in like whatever.
But
girl song.
Alright, so let's say Tommy Lee tonight find a banger.
What do you mean?
Like a real banger.
Clash still a go on. I mean, I don't know feel like say, yo, bombard. I don't feel like say, yo, I'm artist, just can't decide, say, oh, me done. Nah, bro, if you gonna go on like say, yo, oh, me drop the song at night, me done with the war, you lost. That me I tell you. So if somebody drop this song and blood key thing, they do not reply, you
Say
lost.
Vybz Kartel intervenes now. I think that album after
EP
the push
is-
back.
Yeah, if Kartel, actually not even Tommy Lee, because I think right now the weapon comes out of Tommy Lee. He's going to drop it now, but I don't think the impact's going to be as heavy. I could be wrong, but I don't think it's going to be as heavy.
You're
But
wrong.
Kartel
Tommy
has
Lee,
an
please don't listen to these niggas. Tommy Lee, please don't listen to these. Keep drop this tune. Yo, war not done till war done. You hear me? So I don't know who these guys feel like you're gonna declare winner. Bro, Tommy Lee, keep drop tune. Masicka, if you're wise, you keep drop tune. I'm telling you.
opportunity to
If
step
you're
on
wise,
that road.
You know what thing Tommy Lee should have do? He said after Crown Clown, him should just drop a normal song, indicating say him done and him back to regular scheduled programming. Because the momentum what him would have from Crown Clown, cause people there, I'm gonna say the road did I say, gone with it, bro.
I think
Did I say
last
that?
night changed that whole narrative.
Yeah, last night changed that.
You can't
so
change
I
now.
think
Y'all crazy.
him should have do that. I think when him be done win, him should have just
Easy.
done.
Just say, oh, drop another song, whatever kind of vibe song for say, yeah, man, I hear some of them. But yeah, I think the EP, cause this is how I was looking at it. I remember the time. You remember that time when Drake did drop Scorpion? And Kanye did have all the album them from Good Music lined up within the dates. And when Pusha T and Drake went at it, Drake literally redid a whole side of Scorpion, the A side, to address a lot of the Kanye and Pusha T stuff. So I'm wondering if Masicka, if something happened where, let's say, not even if the Kartel say a one line in a song about him, do you say Her Name Is Love Easy and you go in at the booth now and try and make another EP to suffice this clash?
I mean,
do you?
No, not necessarily. The greatest thing with girl song is them can build. It not for bust immediately.
Yeah.
No song not for bust immediately, but girl song will take a little time for creep up, you see me? I'm gonna say that only thing this clash they need is juggling. If that clash they depend on juggling, and that's the thing with why the man them all get beat up in a road, if them play the song them, you know. Because you play a death row. I can't play Good Youth right after.
Yeah.
So, and like when a man say, oh no, look at the people missing out. And they can't hear them. What them a fuck?
Yeah.
Gully side or Gaza side can't vex. Two on the song get played.
Yeah.
Two on my block club, but you get where I come from?
True.
But with this now, it's just like, doom, 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 then.
First of all, I DJ them not lack the skill. That's wrong. That's wrong. All right.
And so
that's wrong. That is on the skills of the DJ, bro. Because if the DJ they know if it properly mix and probably put song cohesively, you will know how to transition to the song. You feel me? That the skills of the DJ. A lot of them DJ don't have the skills, bro. That's what it is. Y'all don't, bro. Come on.
Because man don't know what they are playing. And it's not because it couldn't play, but me other step on microwave you or whatever, and then you want John Gunner, me have a slash, pussy what you know about. It cannot go together. Clash off it go. Ray. You see me? Have to do that, bro. So until the man them can come out of them feelings and stop running on the local blood club publishing and the masters phone itself, and only can.
Niggas ain't trying to share that streaming.
Niggas not trying to share that streaming money, bro. They not trying to share that streaming money.
Nope.
But
not even a little bit.
I'm gonna wrap up right now. What else? None else going on in the music. It has been a day.
It has been a day.
None else going?
I mean,
none else not going.
None else not going. Can you say, oh yeah?
All right, this is a good day of music. This is, let's be honest, this is Jardy. This is me, Ashram, and we're gone. Adios, amigo.
Alright, big up to Let's Be Honest. As me and said, that was Let's Be Honest with their take. Big up to Jeffrey and big up to Dog. I keep forgetting Dog. But yeah, man. Yeah, that was Let's Be Honest. That was their take on that. You know what I'm saying? But I feel like they're severely wrong on that. Kartel do not have to answer that shit. As I mean, the work that he's put in, the man can contradict himself how many times. As I mean, Kartel don't have to answer that. You see me? Don't say Uno would like for Kartel to answer. Kartel don't have to answer. He put in too much work. Masicka is literally not on that man level for that man to answer. I'm sorry to tell y'all. It might hurt some of y'all feelings, man, but that is the truth. You feel me? Masicka still have some work for though. You still have to go fight Alkaline. How the frig you fight Alkaline, but you want to come up against it? Are you crazy? I'm loving two artists, them. But Kartel don't have to answer that. You feel me? Kartel have too much to lose for him to answer that shit. You know what I mean? That only gonna benefit Masicka. That is not for the culture. That is not for, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so y'all wild for that one. Yeah, man, that is not for dancehall, that is not for culture, man. But we'll check out this couple other things on social media. Apparently, Sean Sam performing me sit viral song. Right, I know. You are going.
The first time.
Jane, you say send that song and road in no Jane. Bumbo clad. Yo, play. Yeah. Start from waist. Cool stuff. But still like cool stuff. Keep it closer. Let's go on a bad like closer. I will. Cool stuff. Most wanted from cool stuff. Some be tongue in a closer. I'm vegetable. Closer. Look a food don't test. Don't test. Look a food don't test. don't test, but the food don't test. Violate shelter, then you want me to rest. What's that? It's just it.
Shots out as I fun in the game, dog. Shots out as I fun in the game. Easy.
Don Storm performing his
Easy, man. As I fun in the game. I have to know.
That he was just unwilling to acknowledge that.
No, I mean, no problem with them. I didn't mean to create a problem there.
Okay.
No
So
problem with
when
him.
you first bust onto the scene, and he was clearly doing things to, at least he was clearly inspired by you, but and people that call it out, and people say acknowledge it, it never bothered you.
No. But what? We remember we are war artists, war angel, my name. But we not the problem. Why would that prayer get a youth for rich?
Yeah.
Come on, dog.
Did you ever pre-man a level to go to war with him?
No, cause a kid.
Oh.
My, you know, you have what you call it, something where you pick your favorite footballer them in the game. Yeah, the Mula was see him a Masicka on him for them generation. And that's gonna be a good war.
Yeah, it would.
Because two of them different in the way me and my father did different, in the way Beanie and Bunty did different, in the way Ninja and Shabba did different.
Yes.
Yeah, whatever was a fuck man war with kids.
So even when him take the pot shots at you, like
no, you
never.
do your thing, youth. You can't stop me, and I can't stop you.
That your main problem with Alkaline, that he was just unwilling to acknowledge that.
No, I mean, no problem with them. I didn't mean to create a problem there.
Okay.
So when you first bust onto the scene, and he was clearly doing things to, at least he was clearly inspired by you, but and people that call it out, and people say acknowledge it, it never bothered you.
No. But what? We remember we are war artists, war angel, my name. But we not the problem. Why would that prayer get a youth for rich?
Yeah.
Come on, dog.
Did you ever pre-man a level to go to war with him?
No, cause a kid.
Oh.
My, you know, you have what you call it, something where you pick your favorite footballer them in the game. Yeah, the Mula was see him a
I think he was talking about fantasy football. But go ahead.
a Masicka on him for them generation. And that's gonna be a good war.
Yeah, it would.
Because two of them different in the way me and my father did different, in the way Beanie and Bunty did different, in the way Ninja and Shabba did different.
Yes.
Yeah, whatever was a fuck man war with kids.
So even when him take the pot shots,
Kartel himself.
Alkaline and Masicka for a war if they really want blood claim and shown, bro. You see me, I say it's always been a sing J and a DJ.
They're both very smart individuals. Kartel himself said a statement. I can't remember exactly when he said it. Maybe Shawnee can, but Kartel put it on his story and said that one day the most worthy challenger would be Masicka. I can't remember when it was. I believe it was in around 20, the time when it was Alkaline and him and Popcorn and everybody doing songs. But Kartel made that statement himself. I'd have to check when he did it.
Yeah, Masicka claims a Kartel fight against in career. You know much time Kartel big up the man. Give him an all hit song. Yo, some people are like,
he did make that statement. Kartel himself, they're both very smart individuals. Kartel himself said a statement. I can't remember exactly when he said it. Maybe Shawnee can, but Kartel put it on his story and said that one day the most worthy challenger would be Masicka. I can't remember when it was. I believe it was in around 20, the time when it was Alkaline and him and Popcorn and everybody doing songs. But Kartel made that statement himself. I'd have to check when he did it. But
on the comments,
he did make.
Masicka is so corrupt and bad man, the world boss, but the king is fully focused. Masicka,
From Masicka forward on the scene and start building career. Every chance, every interview he did, he mentioned Vybz Kartel name.
Vybz Kartel is a man who been and make it throughout the years, you understand? But at the end of the day, Vybz Kartel is enough collab with people where it push.
So it does give you a strength.
Yeah, man, the way I say give you a strength.
So it's indeed a game changer.
Masicka said that Vybz Kartel played a big part in his career. He said that he grew up listening to Vybz Kartel. No, Masicka did a song saying that Vybz Kartel did nothing for him and that he is the one that did Vybz Kartel a favor. He gave Vybz Kartel strength. No, Masicka, the interviews are there where you said that Vybz Kartel gave you strength. Vybz Kartel built your fan base when he did the song with you. And you said that Vybz Kartel did a lot for your career.
Definitely, that was a major song in my career.
that them have to live even till this day. You know what I mean? Kartel is a true iconic figure in the music. And where Kartel reach in the music is where every dancer artist dream to reach at some point in their career.
So that's where I go hard, man.
Honest, you know what I mean? Because Kartel block the place with not just songs.
Exactly, bro.
You know what I mean? It's just a different movement. So dog them have to live crazy when that song they're dropping at the streets.
Masicka.
Yes.
Love that song, Infrared.
So now that you reach to a level, you are now saying that Vybz Kartel did nothing for you and that you're the one that give Vybz Kartel strength. Masicka, this only has shown me that you bad mind Vybz Kartel long time and you wanted Vybz Kartel spot. This is why now you're saying that Vybz Kartel did nothing for you when the proof is there that Vybz Kartel mentioned you a lot in his interview.
Masicka.
Yes.
Love that song, Infrared. One of my favorite songs.
Yeah, that's a big song too. Yeah, man.
And
shout out Masicka.
He's a great.
One side.
Exactly, he's a great lyricist.
Yeah, true.
And I feel you are one of his biggest inspirations, of course.
True that.
What is so special about him that you've chosen to collab with him?
I mean, the connection, he's from Portmore, more or less. He went to Calabar, I went to Calabar. He's friends with TJ, TJ is my bro. And I think TJ produced Infrared as well, so that's where the connection came about.
Vybz Kartel said that Masicka will be one of the biggest artists in 2017. Vybz Kartel said that, and now Masicka is a figure in dancehall. And now Masicka, you're saying that Vybz Kartel did nothing for you and that you're the one that gave Vybz Kartel strength.
Boy, them a talk about dog Philip. Put thing my bother me that dead like dog. Me never beg a boy song, you know we hard. A strength man give them in a the lonely yard.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Dude, yeah, man.
And
shout out Masicka.
He's a great.
One side.
Exactly, he's a great lyricist.
I actually got Calabar High School where Vybz Kartel attended and used to live at Portmore. So you know the influence never normal, you know what I mean? So growing up in a Portmore, going Calabar High School, the Vybz Kartel on every poster, Vybz Kartel on every badge, you know what I mean? So for actually in a class and knock decks, I sing over Vybz Kartel song them to actually bust now and have a song around the road. It was a tremendous feeling, you get me? So that again, you just have to stay focused and put in the work, you know what I mean? Yeah, man.
And I respect him as well. He's a lyricist and he's a bad artist. And he has that, he can DJ.
From Masicka forward on the scene and start building career.
Alright, but yeah, man, gang, shout out to y'all for tuning in, man. I think I'm gonna end this here.
Personally happy to Masicka.
From Masicka forward.
I think I'm gonna end this here. And yeah. I'm gonna end this here, guys. I'm gonna come later with some more, drop some more reaction. I might come back later with another live, so look out for that. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. You already know, back and fully active. Till next time, I'm out, gang.